Feel like you already know everything there is to know about chatbots? Well, just like AI, maybe it's time that you too update your algorithm with what's new with these busy bots. Hey there, I'm Rahane Ghazali, and thanks for tuning into our channel. Today we're going to talk about how chatbots can change the way conversations happen between brands and customers online. Before we get into it, let's picture your checklist is up to date with the best chatbot features to look out for. First on the list is a no-code chatbot builder. Sounds complicated. Well, it's actually quite simple. A no-code build can be implemented almost immediately as there's very little training that goes into making your bot sound human. So it makes your life a whole lot easier. Another thing that's worth noting is that with better sentiment analysis, chatbots are getting better at understanding a key ingredient of human-to-human conversation: context. To get a better feel of how this plays out in real life, let's go through an example. Say you're a customer who wants to exchange a product because it doesn't fit properly, but then you find out that the size you need is out of stock. So your intent will naturally change to returning the product instead, right? The latest in chatbot AI can detect the switch in intent and continue the conversation smoothly on the same ticket. So you don't have to take the effort of starting the entire process all over again. Once you've decided to return the item, the AI will verify the shipping address is still relevant based on the historical data before the pickup. By using smart reply suggestions, the bot can maintain the flow of the conversation from start to finish, giving you a consistent experience. Chatbots are also quite misunderstood at times. People either assume that they have to choose a specific platform that they want to enable the bots on, or that each platform requires an entirely separate bot script build. Well, considering how advanced conversational AI technology is today, I'm here to tell you that neither applies. Now, you can build a bot just once and deploy it through an omni-channel platform. Sprinklr is an excellent example of one such platform. It can take a build, customize it to each platform, and deploy it across 30+ channels, all at once. And what's more, today's chatbots can understand the finer nuances of language. You can also customize them by inserting any voice to represent your bot, a lot like Alexa. Why, you can even have your brand ambassador's voice speaking on your behalf, which is pretty cool, I would say. So no matter where your customers reach out, your bot always seems like a friendly and smart assistant. Now, can you imagine this? Wouldn't it be awesome if there were a previously on recap segment for each customer, like your favorite TV show? New generation chatbots can do just that by relying on customer-focused insights to pull up the historical data of repeat customers on a single dashboard for more personalized care. They can also pinpoint what's inefficient in your operations and highlight the need for additional knowledge resources. So now that your checklist is updated, you're all set to make better decisions for your brand. If you're inspired to change up your bot strategy and overall customer experience, we're definitely here to help. Check out the links below, reach out for a demo, or just let us know what you'd like our experts to simplify the next time around to bring out the best in your business.